Hey, how's it going, guys? Alright, so in this video, I'm going to show you how we can import Pandas module in AWS Lambda function. Alright, so right here, we create a Lambda function. Now let's look at the code here. Alright, so when you first of all create a Lambda function using a Python runtime, or use Python as the target language, and this is going to be the default template. Alright, so let me increase the font size real quick. Alright, so right here, I'm going to import Pandas as PD, and I'll deploy. Let me see the font size, 14. Let's do 16. Alright, so if I create a test, and I'll name this as Pandas import test, and save. Alright, so if I test the function, I'm going to get the import error, no module named Pandas. Now, to add the Pandas module in Lambda function today is really easy. Now, in the past, you need to download the source code and unzip the source code and package the source code as a zip file. But nowadays, you don't need to do that anymore. So let me show you how. Alright, so here I'm going to go back to the Lambda console. Then you want to scroll down to layers. Now, layers is basically the package that you want to include in your Lambda function that you want the Lambda function to be able to access. Now, here I'm going to click on Add a Layer. Now, from Choose a Layer, so we have three options. We can provide our own custom layer, which means that we can provide our own custom packages. Or we can use the default layers that are provided by AWS. And that's the option that I'm going to choose. Now, here from the dropdown, you should see a list of default layers. Now, here you want to choose AWS SDK Pandas Python 3.10. And I believe that the Python 3.10 layer, this is basically the runtime version. And I believe that this also works for Python 3.9 and 3.11. But you might need to test it out first. But here I'm going to choose Python 3.10. But here from the AWS SDK Pandas layer, there's only one version. So choose the version. Then add the layer to the Lambda function. Alright, so if I scroll down to the layers section, you should see that the AWS SDK Pandas layer is now added to my Lambda function. So that means that my Lambda function now has access to the Pandas package. So just to confirm that, so this time if I click on test, you can see that the Lambda function execution is able to execute it successfully. And from the status, and it's showing that C, and that means that the function executed just fine. Alright, so this is going to be everything I'm going to share in this video, and hopefully you guys find this tip useful. And if you have any question or any feedback, please post them in the comment section below. And if you find this video useful, please don't forget to give this video a like and click on the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.